We will be donning our tools come 19th of this month.
Kiama giki kia Manathi marutite mukana uyu thutha wa makaya mao kuri thirikari hamwe na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gukorwo matekuiguika.
Solidarity forever.
Mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki Seth Panyako ataririe ona thengia wa thirikari kwiranira mathina maria Manathi mageragira ni megwetherwo kihonia gia gutura gutiri mogaruruku makinyanirio na uguo makauga matiri na wiki otiga kuiga miro tariki 19 mweri-ini uyu.
They are offering critical services and we want them to go out so that this county government and the national government can know that these people are offering critical services. Then the one for anesthetists. Nurse anesthetists are the ones carrying out anesthetist work about 85% in the country.
Mendekithia mao ni hamwe na guteo kwa ngirimiti igie gucoka wira ya mwaka wa 2017 kuongererwo kwa namba ya Manathi 50,000 thibitari-ini cia muingi kuheo wira wa gutura kuri Manathi aria makoretwo rungu rwa mubango wa UHC o undu umwe na kwambatirio ngathi kwa Manathi aria makinyanirie ikiro.
They are being told you must practice under a doctor. We are saying enough is enough. We are a profession. We are independent. We are able to function and regulate ourselves through the Nursing Council of Kenya. And for information, it's only nurses in the world that has got an international body recognized by WHO, recognized by United Nations. Sasa hii wengine hata hawana body wanakuja kuregulate sisi namna gani?
Hamwe no guo kiama giki moretie ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gukinyaniria mendekithia maya mbere ya tariki 19 niguo kurigiriria mathina maria arwaru matunganaga namo riria motungata ma urigiti maga gukinyanirio thibitari-ini cia muingi.
Enough is enough. Afya House is the genesis for these problems. Money for UHC, I have information, it is in Afya House. They want to divert it. We will not accept.
Mukana uyu ukite riri na warigitania gikiro gia clinical officers Matanyitwo gukaiga miro tariki 19 mateta mao ari kwaga gukinyanirio kwa uiguano wa CBA o undu umwe na kwaga gukuruhanio mubango-ini wa kumatha motungata ma urigiti wa SHA.
As UHC nurses, we are speaking one voice, and on come 19th, if we do not have our letters confirming us to permanent and pensionable, having settled the arrears, the gratuity, we shall be going on strike.
Maya magithiaga na mbere minister wa ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Deborah Mulongo augite ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri ciukite njanjo ya ciana ya BCG ni gukorwo ikinyite thibitari-ini cia muingi niguo gutigirira ciana iria itamukirite ni ciaheo guku akiuria aciari kwaga wagagu wigie njanjo iyo.
We have been able to map out to ensure that even within Kenya, the healthcare facilities that have the vaccines are able to distribute to those that do not have. That way we can have a vaccination.
Mulongo uria wariti ari kaunti-ini ya Mombasa oho augite bururi wa Kenya ni wihariirie na njira ya kuigana hari kung'ethanira na virus cia murimu wa human metapneumonia ungikinya guku bururi-ini.
As a ministry, we are looking to have improve our capacity in terms of preparedness.
We are on high alert, even within our health facilities. We have been able to communicate to the health facilities even at the county level so that we are able to coordinate.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.